In this video, I'll be sharing a delicious recipe of paneer, but here the main twist is that in this recipe, I'll be not using any onion, garlic or tomatoes, even cashews or cream to thicken this or make it rich, yet the gravy turns out to be super yum. And as you can see in my video, the consistency of the gravy is just like it is served in restaurants. Till then, we have not used any major ingredient. Very simple, basic and few ingredients I have used, and a special trick I have used so that this gravy turns out to be super creamy. Next time when you want a very shortcut recipe, do try this recipe of paneer, Chatpati paneer, in a very different style without onion, garlic or tomatoes. So do try out this recipe. You will love the flavors and tanginess of this recipe. Hey guys, I am Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel So's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, to subscribe to my page and don't forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this awesome recipe of paneer. For this recipe, I have taken here around 300 grams of paneer or cottage cheese, and I have just cut them in a little bit larger size, in this way, thick and larger. And now I'll make a marinade. To marinate this paneer, for that here I have taken Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder 1 tablespoon, some Coriander Powder around 1 tablespoon, black salt 1 teaspoon, Kasuri Methi or dried Fenugreek leaves around 1 tablespoon, and just 2 to 3 pinch of turmeric. That's it. And for the tanginess, I'll be using lemon juice 1 teaspoon and mustard oil around 1 tablespoon. Give everything a nice mix. These dry spices will very beautifully combine with lemon juice and this mustard oil. And this marination I'll be using to marinate our paneer or cottage cheese for around 15 minutes. That's it. And after giving it a mix, this marination looks lovely color. This goes on top of this paneer. I'll mix it gently because this is fresh paneer, fresh cottage cheese, Indian cottage cheese. Give it a mix and leave it aside on kitchen counter for around 15 minutes. Next preparation, I'll prepare some nice seasoned curd. 300 grams I've taken, coriander powder 1 teaspoon and cumin powder just 1/4 teaspoon I need to take for 300 grams of curd. Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder 1 tablespoon I'll be using for that nice hue red color. Some roasted and powdered cumin seeds I have taken half teaspoon, and 2 dried chilies I have just roasted them and I have powdered them. Give everything a nice mix in this curd. If there are lumps, you can strain them after mixing. This is a nice tip to make lump free curd. And turmeric powder I had just forgotten. Just 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder goes in. Give it a mix and this flavored seasoned curd is ready. And meanwhile, the trick to make this creamy Chatpati paneer is, I had kept aside 2 to 3 pieces of paneer around 50 grams. I'll blend them using half a cup of milk, and this creamy mixture of paneer and milk turns out to be super smooth, and this will act as thickening agent also to make a nice creamy gravy. So this is done. Nice thickened base is ready, and 2 to 3 green chili and half a ginger I have blended in 3 to 4 tablespoon of water, and 1 or 2 capsicum I have taken. If large size, you can take 1, and I have cut them into pieces. So now let's begin for the recipe. 3 to 4 tablespoon of cooking oil I have taken. I'll heat it nicely. Then I'll add the paneer pieces, marinated paneer pieces. Here we just need to take care that initially won't flip them. We'll wait for around 3 to 4 minutes. Once the pan is hot, reduce the flame to medium and then add this paneer pieces, and we just need to roast one side for 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'll gradually and very carefully flip them. You can see the base has got a nice color. It has been roasting beautifully. Just flip all the paneer pieces in this way carefully and allow the other side to be roasted, and then I'll take them off from the oil. You can see what lovely color it has attained. You can fry if remaining paneer pieces in the same way. And now before adding capsicum, I need to take out this burned masalas, especially the kasuri methi that we had added. Just scrap them, and in this same oil increase the flame to high from medium, and I'll add the capsicum that I had kept. This needs to be just nicely roasted for around 1 minute or so. Slight coloration happens and it's ready for 1 to 2 minutes in high flame, and that's it. I'll take this capsicum out, and this oil will be added in our gravy to give very nice taste. And this is it. My paneer and capsicum are done. In a separate pan, I'll add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and to this I'll add some whole dry spices, some cinnamon sticks, some green cardamom too, some cloves, and some black peppercorns, and 1 bay leaf I had added, divided into 2 parts. Wait till all the spices release their aroma in medium flame. Don't ever add the spices in high flame, otherwise they will instantly burn. And once done, I'll add the blended ginger and green chili paste and saute for around 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame till the oil starts to separate. It's very important. We need to roast this ginger and green chilies till the oil starts to separate, and once this oil starts to separate, here's my another trick. I'll add 1 tablespoon of besan or gram flour and roast this on medium flame till it is nicely foamy. You can smell the aroma of this besan or gram flour. Give it a mix, and this actually helps the curd not to curdle and give a perfect creamy base. So now once it has started to foam, reduce the flame to lowest, wait for 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'll add the curd mixture. Give it a mix on medium flame till it starts to boil. You can see till now I have not used any artificial color, yet this color of this curd mixture is looking so nice, orangish color. I just love this color. And once it starts to bubble out, I'll add the mixture of the paneer and the milk that I had blended together. Now at this stage, give it a mix and wait for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. And once it starts to bubble, reduce the flame to low, cover it and leave it for around 5 to 7 minutes. You can do this process twice. It will take around 10 to 12 minutes, and after 10 to 12 minutes you can see the curd has been nicely cooked and the gravy color has changed. At this stage I will be adding salt as per taste, some jaggery or sugar or honey, 1 teaspoon for the little bit sweetness. And at this stage I'll add the paneer and wait for around 2 to 3 minutes before adding the capsicum. Give it a mix. So after 2 to 3 minutes I'll add the capsicum. Here I have not added the capsicum. So after 2 to 3 minutes, first goes some very flavorful garam masala powder, half a teaspoon, and dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi I'll add around half teaspoon, and the fried capsicum goes, or sauteed capsicum goes at this stage, and the oil in which we had fried the paneer and capsicum, that goes in. Give it a mix, and you can see the oil has started to ooze out. You can taste all the balance at this stage. Reduce the flame and leave it covered for just 2 to 3 minutes, and after 2 to 3 minutes it's almost done. You can see the color of this gravy and the consistency of this dish is just perfect, and this is what it should look like. It should not be watery. So this is the perfect ratio of making restaurant style paneer dish without onion, garlic, tomatoes, cream or cashews. So now it's time to serve our lovely dish, and see how beautiful the color has turned out, and I'm just loving the consistency of this dish. Who can imagine that this dish doesn't include any onion, garlic or tomatoes or cashews or malai, as if anything, just some basic ingredients I have used, and this dish had turned out to be super awesome. And especially the chatpati tangy flavor of the dish will amaze your taste buds. Goes very well with some rice, pulao, roti, naan, literally anything you can try your hands on. Do try this recipe if you have some restrictions on your diet, especially on festivities, and you will love the flavors. And do not forget to apply my small tricks to make this dish super awesome. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Raghunath Prasad Tripathi 103. He writes, I am a vegetarian. I also eagerly waiting for your recipes. Thank you so much, Raghunath, for your lovely words. I'm so glad to know that even vegetarians love my non-veg recipe, and thank you for so much for letting me know. Stay safe and stay connected. And if you want to have something exciting and delicious without using onion, garlic, tomatoes, do give this recipe a try. We love the flavors. Everyone will be amazed by the recipe. And if you have liked this video, do give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my page. You can also follow So's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.